Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesh Sopari. Hope you're doing great. And in today's video, I'm diving into a review of GoTranscript.com, a transcription service. I'll let you know if this site is legit, what you can expect to get paid, what the job requires, and if I'd recommend it or not. But before we jump in, at any time of this video guys, if you would like to check out my favorite strategy that which is making me around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of my home, then I request you to please visit the first link, get registered and watch the free masterclass. Just imagine guys, if a normal person like me with English as a third language now who can craft automated systems and make money in US dollars, if I can do it, why can't you follow the exact same strategy and start making money for your success? So for more information, I request you to please visit the first link, get registered and watch the free masterclass. And also guys, if you stick to this video till the end, then I'm about to give you a bonus worth $2,488 for absolutely free. So to claim it, I request you to watch this video till the end. Alright guys, now let's get into the GoTranscript review. On GoTranscript's website, the first thing you'd probably want to know is how much you can get paid. The top earners can make up to $1,215 per month, but the average earnings per month are about $150. So it isn't a full-time gig. In some countries, this could be a substantial income, but in most English-speaking countries, it's more of a side hustle for extra cash. So if you enjoy transcription or typing, this could be a good job for you to do on the side. Alright, so to get started, head over to their website and sign up. Okay, you can find the URL on the screen. So you can do this job from home and get paid via PayPal or Payoneer. It works worldwide, so no matter where you are, you can participate. The pay is around 60 cents per minute of audio transcribed. For example, if you transcribe a 15-minute audio file, you'll make about $9. This might take you anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour to complete. Payments are made every week on Friday and you can work as much as little as you want since it's a freelance job. Now, let's talk about the reality of these jobs. They are legitimate, but the pay is relatively low and the work can be tedious. You're not going to want to do this full time, and the average earnings of $150 per month reflect that. This is very much a part-time gig. You won't have work available 10 hours a day every day. You know, orders will come in sporadically, so it's not something you can rely on for a full-time income. So if you're okay with earning an extra $100 to anywhere around $150 a month and don't mind doing transcription work in your spare time, GoTranscript might be a good option for you. But if you're looking for a full-time income from home, this isn't the best route. Instead, I recommend exploring affiliate marketing. For example, imagine promoting a high demand product on your blog or YouTube channel. If you get a commission for every sale made through a link, those earnings can add up quickly. Let's say you promote a software tool that pays around $100 commission per sale. So if you make 10 sales a month, that's around $1,000. As you build your audience and improve your marketing strategies, those numbers can significantly increase, leading to a substantial income over time. And guys, that's my GoTranscript review. It's a decent side hustle for making a little extra money if you don't mind the work. But for a full-time income, check out my top recommendation linked in the description down below. Just enter your name and email and I'll send you the training to help you get started. Alright guys, as I promised, there is a special bonus waiting for you. I am offering a $2,488 worth bonus for absolutely free to the first 500 members who join my VIP inner circle. Okay, so I would be linking it in the second link in the description. So if you are interested, you can go ahead and please join my VIP inner circle to claim this bonus. So in this community, you'll get access to my affiliate marketing courses, valuable resources, and the opportunity to network with like-minded individuals. So don't delay guys, this is a golden opportunity for you. I request you to please visit the second link and get registered. Spots are filling very soon. Alright, now if you have any experience on GoTranscript, share it in the comments below. And if there are any other sites you would like me to review, let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any further videos. See you in the next video guys. Don't forget to subscribe as I said. Have a great day. Bye bye.